my name is Monica Petrucci. I'm the editor of Kitchen and Cooking here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the GE Profile Smart Oven. This 11-in-1 smart appliance is a countertop oven, but it's pretty massive. This oven measures at 11 inches tall, 17 inches wide, and 20 inches deep, making it spacious enough for a wide variety of tasks. This oven features a unique garage-style sliding door which opens with just the push of a button. And its touchscreen interface and app capabilities only amplify its modern feel. The panel includes buttons for functions like toast, broil, warm, roast, air fry, cake, reheat, pizza, cookies, bake, and a button to add 2 minutes. There's also an option to turn on the interior light, which makes it easier to watch your food as it's cooking. A unique feature of this oven is its claim that it has no preheating required, which means you can start cooking foods right away. The max temperature of this oven also goes all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it comparable to full-size ovens. And the oven comes with 4 accessories: a wire rack, an air fry basket, a baking pan, and a sheet rack. All of the 4 accessories are dishwasher safe. Here's what we like about the GE Profile Smart Oven. It has a spacious and sleek design. This oven would aesthetically match almost any kitchen with its clean design, and the touchscreen interface gives it that modern look. We also love the large viewing window, along with the interior light allows you to monitor your food as it's cooking. And the one-of-a-kind garage door design definitely stands out. And given its spacious interior, it's big enough to cook a 12-inch pizza or a 7-pound chicken. It's app compatible. This oven connects to GE Smart HQ app, which gives you access to plenty of features that you can work on remotely. You can use the Smart HQ app to monitor the temperature, set the timer, and even turn on the oven light remotely. We especially appreciated the notifications that the app gave us, notifying us when there was 1 minute left in the recipe and when it was fully cooked. It bakes and air fries well. The results that we were able to achieve during testing were impressive and delicious. During testing, fries achieved peak crispness, frozen waffles were evenly toasted, and Brussels sprouts came out nice and browned. There were a few things that we noticed we didn't like about the smart oven during testing. Firstly, the no preheat feature falls short. The idea of a no preheat feature in an oven like this is certainly appealing, but unfortunately it didn't deliver the way we expected during tests. The recipes that we prepared in the smart oven are standard to what we use for testing all of the air fryers we test here at Reviewed, and each time we made a recipe, we noticed that it came out undercooked. Although the no preheat feature is a good idea in theory, we found that in reality, we still had to tack on a few extra minutes during cooking anyway. The machine can be tough to clean. After making a batch of bacon in this machine, we noticed that grease built up pretty quickly across the interior, and we found it difficult to clean afterwards. The manual discourages any cleaning of the cylindrical heating elements that are housed inside the machine, which means that any grease that builds up there has to stay and smoke off on its own, which can create a lot of smoke in and around your kitchen. The downside to having a spacious countertop oven that can fit a whole chicken is it takes up a lot of space. This is especially evident given that this machine requires a few spaces above and around it in order to ensure safety without overheating any elements in your kitchen. This definitely isn't a deal breaker, but it is something to keep in mind if you're considering this large of a purchase. Overall, the pros are it has a spacious, sleek design, it's app compatible, and it bakes and air fries well. While the cons are the no preheat feature falls short, it's tough to clean, and it takes up a lot of counter space. So should you buy the GE Profile Smart Oven? Yes, if you want a spacious countertop oven that's app compatible. If space isn't a concern in your kitchen and the no preheat promise isn't a deal breaker for you, this is a great smart appliance to have in your kitchen. We love the user experience of this appliance, from the sleek control panel to the app compatibility. At around $450, you'll have access to a modern appliance that air fries like a dream and takes the guesswork out of things like homemade pizza and toasting everyday bagels. For the full review, head to reviewed.com, and thanks for watching.